like it?
Yeah, that show's crazy.
For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Ben from HYTE Origins, and last time we did an insane custom loop water cooling system in a HYTE case for a very special guest. So today, it's finally time to reveal it.
Who's that Pokemon? It's
Journey Brown!
With the straight arm still going! What a journey! Touchdown!
It's me!
Alright, story time. So Journey Brown is a former American football player. He used to play college football for Penn State Lions. He actually reached out to us a couple weeks ago about upgrading his PC to make it more aesthetically pleasing. At that time, he already has a top-of-the-line maxed out specs for his personal system in his setup, but it just doesn't look that great. So we decided to do like a makeover for his PC by adding some spice to it. So I showed him some of our previous work with like custom loop water cooling stuff, and he ended up liking it a lot. So the plan is to build him this custom loop water cooling system using a HYTE Y60 case and the Y60 distro. So I was thinking shipping this system is gonna cost a lot, and this is a pretty heavy system, so I don't really want to ship it because I don't want to risk breaking anything, since this is a very expensive system. So I asked him, hey, do you mind if I just fly over the PC to you? You know, just like carry it and then take it with me? And he was like, yeah, for sure. That's how he got here. Anyway, so the plan is to take out some of the heavy and breakable components inside the system, and we will ship it with the motherboard, SSD, RAM, and the distro plate install. And I will take the GPU and some of the tubings, tools, lighting equipment and stuff with me, and I will rebuild it at his place. So let's start by draining out the coolant.
Alright, I'm not sure if you guys can see this clearly, but I installed the drain valve over here. So I do have the soft tubing for draining. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this into the drain valve and then kind of drain all the coolant inside. So I think this is pretty much all the stuff I want to take out, and this is how I'm going to ship the PC with. So you can see here I put all the covers on these little holes, make sure there's like nothing coming off or like no like excess fluid or stuff going in here at all. I also cover up the CPU water block. So what I did remove is the GPU, the screen, all the tubings that connects here. I don't want any damage to these tubings at all. The only tubing I kept here is this tiny little elbow, because this thing is pretty sturdy. It's not gonna go anywhere at all. And then the distro plate itself, I'm also keeping it here, followed by the fans and all that. So let's go ahead and pack this up and get it shipped. Alright, so everything is pretty much packed now. We just gotta put it in the box and ship it. One thing though, I put a little bit of tape over here because the only one screw that screw down the glass panel is this screw over here, and there's 3 screws on the side. So there's really nothing that holds this two together. So I decided to put some tape here to just kind of like hold them together so they don't like pop out and also damage the glass or anything like that.
Okay, so I've got everything packed up and this thing is ready to be shipped. I will see you guys when I'm heading to the airport. Can I get a venti iced latte with no ice?
Venti iced latte with no ice?
Yep.
2 hours later.
How you doing? What's good with you, my boy?
I know.
How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good, chilling. This traffic be getting crazy because the top.
Yeah. When you say big black truck, I didn't expect it to be that big. I was like, okay, it has to be you.
The next day.
So I've already brought everything in over here and I have my light set up over there. Now I'm just waiting for Jenny to get back and I'm gonna go grab some food because I'm hella hungry.
This video is brought to you by us. At R-Type Origins, we specialize in building custom gaming computers tailored to your budget, performance needs, and aesthetic preferences. If you're interested in getting an estimate for your dream PC, be sure to go to our website and submit a build inquiry. We will get back to you as soon as possible.
Two hours later.
Little cousin Max, little cousin Boy, fiance D,
Okay.
the crib. You feel me?
I had some Popeyes as breakfast. Yeah, it looks like it's arrived in perfect condition.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that shit's tough. Like you can just take it out. It looked like a fish tank, bro.
Yeah.
No, that's sweet. So what kind of motherboard is this one?
That's a X670E. So this thing is the distro plate. There's a field port on the top. You unscrew one of the fittings, bottle, just kind of
And
like
squeeze it in there.
Yeah, squeeze it in there, and then it will turn on the power supply, let the pump run, and then after you like kind of drain out, you feel it again. Keep doing the
You
same
just
thing.
keep doing it until it cycles through.
Yeah,
You have a whole YouTube page?
yeah. But I think this is our second time like doing like an in-home setup. First time is Spencer's.
Double up.
You should have told me you really like One Piece. I would have like made like a One Piece team.
Yeah, I should have. I'm a huge One Piece guy.
Just the
On the
LCD,
TV.
the LCD display.
D ain't letting nobody do nothing now. Hey, can Ben use the towel too, D? Ben not allowed to use no towel either? Sheesh.
Which towel we're talking about?
Ben brought his own towel because I told him you weren't gonna let him use any. Oh man, this gonna be so tough.
That's a flow meter, so it kind of tell you what temperature the coolant is, and
Okay.
also like how fast the fluid's flowing.
So what the hell is it?
That's a pressure leak tester. So before I fill the coolant and stuff, I just want to do a
Do a
quick
test.
pressure test. Make sure there's no like leaks or anything.
Okay. Told me he was like, if I knew you were a One Piece fan, I would have done a One Piece thing. And I said,
Wait,
I should've.
whose is this? The Itachi joint?
That's Spencer's.
Oh, that's Spencer's?
Yeah, that's Spencer's.
Oh, that
PC.
shit is crazy.
The fact that you know the grabs and shit. Put together the last one took me a whole day.
I can't play that game.
Water has calcium in it. This still doesn't.
I was drinking it last night.
We're cooking.
Yeah, right? That's what it looks like. If you drink distilled water, won't it like dehydrate you?
It's just there's no beneficial bacteria in it.
minerals or-
quite fascinating to see you set this up.
Facts.
Did you show her your new PC yet?
No, she didn't.
Wait,
He
bro.
come back out and faked it.
I couldn't even do that if I tried.
That's a TV screen.
Wait, what is that?
That's a TV screen in there.
So, wait, what? This is what you've
is all
done
good.
this morning?
Yeah, I didn't do all of that this morning. I kind of like take some of the part around and then I carry with me, and then
Wow.
the case in there is just like pretty much everything without the tubes and the liquid and everything.
Dude, this is really cool. That's really cool. I like this a lot better than the other one. Like, a lot better.
It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Wiper proof.
Yep. Where's the proof?
Where's the proof?
Yeah. Oh, he got the rookie showing up there. That is tough. Hey, boy.
Oh, that is tough. That's
The
cool
one
as
piece?
hell.
The one piece
Yeah.
showing up there with the orange on there.
Hey.
Come look at it.
Bro.
Come look at it then.
No, look,
Like One Piece, bro.
look
What?
at it. Look.
Oh, that shit is hard.
It's on the PC. I told you that joint's tough.
All right. You like it?
Yeah. That sounds crazy. I'm underwater.
Like, it really don't look that hard.
I'm 88.
You're above water.
You're getting.
Wait, look, he dead. Stupid.
It's me!
Alright, that's pretty much the end of today's video. I really like how it turned out, and Journey ended up really liking it. Mission accomplished. If you guys enjoy this kind of content where we do in-home setup for our customers, be sure to let us know down in the comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's Journey Brown.
Like that. Got it?
It's Journey Brown. It's Journey Brown. It's Journey Brown. Bro, what? It's Journey Brown. It's me. It's Journey Brown. How you doing? It's Journey Brown. Keep doing it.
You're dumb.
It's Journey Brown.